Welcome to Princess Lady Diana, a channel dedicated to honoring and remembering the timeless legacy of Princess Diana. Through this platform, we celebrate her kindness, grace, and impact on the world. Our videos aim to keep her memory alive and inspire generation with her story of compassion and resilience. We kindly request all our viewers to watch the videos till the end and support our mission by subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue sharing the remarkable life and legacy of the People Princess. Thank you for being a part of this journey. So, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was the most photographed woman in the world, a symbol of beauty, grace, and compassion. Yet behind that iconic smile was a woman fighting a silent war. She was not born into fairy tales, she was trapped in one. This is the story of Princess, the People Princess, Lady Diana. From her quiet childhood to royal wedding, from heartbreak to her tragic death, and the legacy that still lives on, let's uncover the untold story of Diana Spencer. Diana Spencer was born on July 1, 1961 in Park House. She was the fourth of five children in British family. Even though Diana was born into a nobility, her childhood was far from ideal. At age 7, her parents went through a bitter divorce, a trauma that deeply affected her. She was shy, sensitive, and often sought love and attention, something she would continue to seek even in her royal life. She loved music, dancing, and dreamed of becoming a ballerina. But life had other plans. She was not a top student, but she was kind, playful, and well linked. After completing her education, she moved to London, shared an apartment with friends, and worked as a nanny and kindergarten teacher. It was during this time her life was about to change forever. In 1977, 16-year-old Diana met Prince Charles, the heir to British throne. During a family visit at that time, Charles was dating her sister Sarah. But there was something about Diana that stayed with him. 3 years later, Charles began courting Diana. In February 1981, their engagement was announced to the world. When asked if they were in love, Diana replied, "Of course." Charles added, "Whatever in love means." On July 29, 1981, the fairy tale began. The wedding was watched by over 750 million people around the world. 750 million people around the world. Diana was only 20 years old. She wore a 25-foot train, a millions cheered, and she became the Princess of Wales. But what the world did not know was that cracks had already begun to form. Adapting to royal life was overwhelming. The media hounded her every move. The palace expected her to behave a certain way, to be silent, obedient, and perfect. Diana began to suffer from anxiety and bulimia. She felt trapped, lonely, and emotionally. Behind closed doors, her marriage with Prince William was falling apart. Even during her pregnancies, she was deeply unhappy. In 1982, Prince William was born. In 1984, Prince Harry arrived. Diana adored her boys, but her relationship with Charles continued to suffer. Someone said there were three of us in this marriage, so it was a bit crowded. She was referring to Camilla Park Bowles, the woman Charles had never truly left. As the truth of Charles and Camilla's affair became more obvious, Diana's pain turned public. She started taking control of her story, giving interviews, attending solo events, and winning hearts everywhere she went. In 1995, she sat down with journalist Martin Bashir for a bombshell interview on BBC's Panorama. Millions watched as Diana spoke openly about her marriage, her struggles, and her heartbreak. That moment made her not just a princess, but a symbol of strength of women around the world. While the royal family focused on traditions, Diana focused on people. She visited AIDS patients at a time when people were afraid to touch them. She hugged 6 children, walked through minefields in Angola, and brought attention to issues the royal never had dared spark of. Her compassion was raw, real, and revolutionary. The world saw her as a modern day saint. They called her the People Princess. She changed the very idea of what it meant to be royal. In 1996, Charles and Diana officially divorced. She lost her title of Her Royal Highness but gained something more powerful, her freedom. She focused more on humanitarian work, charity, and spent more time with William and Harry. She also began a relationship with Rudy Al Fayed, son of Egyptian billionaire Muhammad Al Fayed. Desperate trying to live a private life, the paparazzi never let her go. On August 31, 1997, Diana and Dodi were in Paris. As they felt the Ritz Hotel late at night, paparazzi cashed their car through the streets. Inside the pond, the Alamatoon, the speeding car crashed. Dodi and the driver died instantly. Diana was critically injured. She passed away a few hours later. She was just 36. The world stopped. People cried in streets. Over 1 million boutiques were placed outside Kingdom Palace. Over 1 million buckets were placed outside Kingdom Palace. Her funeral was watched by 2.5 billion people. Elton John sang and written version of Candle in the Wind. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you enjoy this video. So my beautiful viewers, if you enjoy this video, please share this video with your family and friends. So many questions the circumstances of Diana's death. Why was the car speeding? Why were not they wearing seat belts? Was it just a car accident or something more? Rudy's father claimed it was a royal conspiracy to stop Diana from marrying a Muslim. Official investigations ruled it an accident case by a drunk truck driver, but doubts still remain. To this day, many believe we will never know the truth. Diana's legacy lives on through her sons, Prince William and Prince Harry. They have continued her humanitarian work, often speaking of their mother's love and pain. Countless films, documentaries, and books continue to honor her life. She redefined what it meant to be royal, showing that vulnerability is not weakness but strength. She made her world kinder even for a moment. Lady Diana was not just a princess, she was a rebel with a heart. A mother who gave everything for her children, a woman who dared to speak the truth. Her story is not just a royal tale, it's a human one, and a truth she left too soon. The candle still burns in the wine. Thank you for watching. If this story moved you, like, share and subscribe for more inspiring story.